I'm Asta Gujral, your tech host. Welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's tech news, Sophos appoints Joe Levy as CEO, Jim Dildine as CFO. Consistent Infosystems launches H310C motherboard. Software Technology Parks of India celebrates 33rd Foundation Day. Microsoft unveils recall feature at Build 2024. Addresses concerns. Apple Design Awards 2024 winners announced. Tata Consultancy Services launches TCS AI Wisdom Next. Oppo teases global launch of Reno 12 series with MediaTek Dimensity 7300 SoC and more. Joe Levy, acting CEO since Feb 15, has been officially appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of Sophos, a global leader in security solutions. Levy, a nearly 30-year veteran in cybersecurity, aims to shape the future of Sophos with his strategic vision. He has been instrumental in transforming Sophos into cybersecurity giant. Levy named Jim Dildine as Sophos' new chief financial officer and a member of the senior management team to drive critical roles in executing his strategy. Consistent Infosystems, a prominent provider of IT hardware and electronic products in India, introduces its latest innovation, the H310C motherboard, aiming to redefine computing performance and user experience standards. The H310C motherboard is meticulously designed with precision engineering, ensuring superior compatibility and functionality to meet the diverse requirements of modern users. The motherboard supports 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th generation Intel Core, i3, i5, and i7 processor, ensuring seamless integration with a wide array of computing systems. STPI proudly commemorates its 33rd Foundation Day, marking over 3 decades of significant contributions to the Indian technology sector, particularly in software exports and fostering a thriving tech startup ecosystem. The celebration took place at the Ashok Hotel in New Delhi, with the theme positioning Bharat as a tech product nation, attended by notable dignitaries from the government and technology industry. Secretary of Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Shri S. Krishnan, and STPI Director General Shri Arvind Kumar, along with industry leaders like Shri Vishal Dhupar, MD of NVIDIA, and Shri Tejas Goenka, MD of Tele Solutions, honored STPI's contributions. Microsoft showcased Recall, an AI-centric feature, at Build 2024, enabling screenshotting of activities on Copilot plus PCS. However, concerns regarding privacy and security have emerged. In response to concerns, Microsoft confirms that Recall will not be enabled by default. Users can choose to activate the feature through settings, emphasizing user control and privacy. Concerns escalated when it was revealed that data processed by Recall was stored in plain text without encryption, posing privacy risks. Microsoft assures users of enhanced privacy measures. Apple Design Awards winners for 2024 have been announced, honoring the best apps in the App Store across various categories. The winners, chosen by the App Store's editorial team from a pool of 42 finalists, represent commitment to creativity and design rather than revenue of downloads. The 2024 awards include 7 categories: delight and fun, inclusivity, innovation, interaction, social impact, visuals and graphics, and spatial computing, each featuring an award for both a game and an app. Tata Consultancy Services launches TCS AI Wisdom Next, a platform designed to simplify the adoption and utilization of generative AI for businesses. The platform serves as a central hub, aggregating multiple generative AI services and large language models into a single interface, offering businesses various tools and capabilities to experiment develop, and deploy AI solutions. Oppo has initiated teasers for the global launch of the Reno 12 series, featuring MediaTek Dimensity 7300 SoC, an upgrade from its predecessor. Complete specifications of the Reno 12 series differ from the Chinese model, featuring an FHD Plus screen and a 2MP macro camera. Among other changes, Oppo is set to introduce AI Erase 2.0, AI Studio, AI Smart Image Matting 2.0, AI Portrait Retouching, AI Clear Face, and AI Link Boost features in the Reno 12 series. Additionally, Oppo may exclude the charger from the box of the first time. For the first time. As we wrap up today's tech journey, this is Astha Gujral signing off. Don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for all your tech updates.